And now, the new Find X9 series is carrying that torch forward, and it's doing it beautifully. Both the Find X9 and the X9 Pro bring stronger camera specs to the table than the Xiaomi 7D series, and they pack larger batteries than what you'll find in the Vivo X300 lineup. So if you're standing at that crossroads, unsure which flagship to invest in, the Find X9 series is shaping up to be your safest, most reliable bet. And hey, if you're impatient like me and want to get your hands on one early, check out the link in the description. Geekwills.com is already shipping the Chinese version internationally. This year, it feels like smartphone design is finally breaking out of that copy-paste rut we've been stuck in. We're seeing some brands go for unibody aluminum frames, while others are experimenting with secondary screens on the back. But OPPO, they've decided to go classic, and it works. The Find X9 moves the camera module back to that familiar top left corner, a bit like the OnePlus One 3S. But the module here is larger and feels much more refined. On the Pro model, they've even shifted the flash outside the main camera island to make space for that impressive periscope telephoto lens. The Find X9 Pro sports a gorgeous 6.78-inch flat display, which a lot of you will love, while the standard model comes in at a slightly more compact 6.6 inches. Both phones feature upgraded ultrasonic fingerprint readers, which are super fast and accurate. The bezels are incredibly thin at just 1.15 millimeters. And you get full IP68 and even an IP69 dust and water protection. They've kept a similar thickness to last year's models, which is great. The only slight letdown: the base model is still stuck with USB 2.0 speeds. Come on, OPPO. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where the Pro really starts to shine. It's equipped with a fantastic LYT-808 main sensor and a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel Hasselblad certified lens. The standard model uses a slightly smaller sensor and misses out on the macro capabilities, but it's still a very capable shooter. OPPO has also made some significant improvements to live photo quality and video exposure control. Plus, for the real photo enthusiasts, there's support for an external telephoto lens kit. Under the hood, both phones are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, which is an absolute beast. They also come with massive batteries that will easily get you through a heavy day of use. And when you do need to top up, you've got 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. So, what's the final verdict? The OPPO Find X9 series is, without a doubt, a strong contender for the most balanced flagship of the year.